So guys, this is a very impromptu video, so sorry for not creating this video in a professional setup and for all the background noises, but yeah, this is like a very impromptu and very impulsive video, so I just hope it works. As we are entering the fourth phase of lockdown, I decided to change my look for no reason at all, because obviously no one is going to see me in this lockdown, but I just wanted to change my look. So a lot of influencers are actually making these bangs at home. They're cutting their own bangs. So I also decided to do that. So let's see if it works out or not. You guys tell me. I have no idea. Like, I'm liking it. I think it's looking pretty good. What do you guys think? It's definitely coming on my eyes. Whoever said again about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you. You know I give a fuck about you every day. Guess it's time that I tell you the truth. If I share my toys, will you let me stay? Don't wanna leave this play date with you.